What's going on, everybody? You know who it is. Smooth One or Smooth One Productions. It is kind of late. I'm sweating bullets. Anybody that's out here drinking that alcohol, y'all got problems. Because it is too humid to be drinking alcohol right now. I don't drink alcohol because alcohol took away a lot of people that's close to me. I'm going to get more specific. It took away my closest sister, took away my mother, took away quite a few aunts and uncles and stuff like that, and good friends. So in memory of them, I don't drink alcohol, and I don't ride motorcycles, anything with two wheels, motors, because my brother got killed on a motorcycle by a drunk driver. So me and alcohol, I'm not too cool with alcohol anymore. But you do what you do, but drink it in moderation and don't hurt nobody while you're doing it. That's all I'm saying. Smooth One Productions. It is hot out here. It is humid out here. It's about 9:15, 9:20. I'm still working. I'm on my way home. Another hour I should be done. Finish doing my work. No, I don't make that much. I don't make money with the camera. I make money doing what I normally do, my regular job. I sweep and mop hallways and I take out trash. That's how I make my money. The camera, that's just something I do, like basketball, something I enjoy doing. If I make something from it, hey, it's a positive. If I don't make nothing from it, oh well, back to what I'm normally doing. Smooth One Productions, freelance, Brooklyn photographer, videographer. You want to book me, hit me up on Instagram at DJ Smooth D. You can hit me up on TikTok at Cameraman256. My YouTube page is BARNEL. If you want to see me on Facebook, my Facebook is BARRYNELSON. BARRY space NELSON. Y'all take care. Have a safe and blessed night.